the double cheeseburger? Who wants a loaded pizza? Who wants to get ice cream? Who ate the last donut?
Sometimes you have to scheme your way into playing. Sorry, not sorry. Don't know what this cutie did, but believe me, he's innocent. Just look at his eyes. That's why reading instructions before using something is so important.
Eight.
Let's see, who ate this? Who ate this, Opal? Was this you? Did you eat this? Huh? Did you eat this? Did you eat this?
If it is true love, you will always find a way.
87, 81.
Me trying hard to fight against the urge to snack during my diet.
Bunun için mi kuduruyorsun? Bunu mu istiyorsun? Ha? Bunu mu istiyorsun?
When you drop a bomb slide collection for your human, but they aren't a fan.
Did you potty on the floor? Did you? Did you do that?
Come here. What is this? We don't do that. We don't do that.
Passing down family skills to the next generation is no easy task. Which one needs an upgrade? The pet flap or that dog's brain? Your call. Once you become partners in crime, you stick together until the very end.